Major emergency video, guys, right now, because Iran just got attacked by Israel. Now, this is crazy because, as you know, when we see things like that happening in the world, it causes massive panic, especially in speculative markets. Right now, for the Bitcoin price, we can see we have started to dump down to the lower end of this triangle right here, and potentially a near-term target of around $62,000. But what everyone wants to know is, when are we going to hit this largest term target all the way down here at $52,000? In today's video, I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to go over the news. I'm going to talk about what is happening with the Bitcoin price right now. So as always, sit back, relax, and get ready for a video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, I do really appreciate your love and support. If you do want to go ahead and drop a comment down below, I'm going to be giving away $100 every single Monday. So get your comments in down below before next Monday on all the videos, and you could be the lucky winner. So we can see the Bitcoin price. If we take a look on the hourly chart, we are having a pretty big dump right here. Previously, we did see a breakout here up to about 70K. It was amazing, a little bit too good to be true in my opinion, and we saw a further pullback right here, potentially a bounce and a breakout. However, that did not happen, and then we see a push towards the downside. Actually, right now, gold looks like a pretty good trade to be had. And over in the Telegram group right here, you can see there was a profit of around 15% of trading gold in the last few hours. Everything was posted in the group about the different setup and what I was actually doing. And you can see right here, if you go ahead and join the group, it is completely free for only the first 100 people. Once we get 100 people in there, we're going to lock it, improve the quality, and then maybe in a month or two we will in fact open. So the link is down below. All you have to do is go below today's video right here and see the link right here for chart chasers. Go ahead, click it, and join completely free. It's just a Telegram group giving good news, alerts, and information about different potential trades. Of course, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, you cannot join this group, unfortunately. Everyone else, though, you are welcome in the group, and let's hopefully get some better information, be more understanding, have a better understanding, sorry, about the markets which we are in right now, because it's definitely difficult times and you can make a lot of mistakes for sure. So, as we can see right now, this is a pretty funny meme posted from my friend Connor. When your portfolio is already down 70% plus, and then Israel launches an attack on Iran, of course, it's definitely not great. Already over the past few months, as you know, you're probably watching your portfolio daily or weekly and just absolutely getting pulled apart inside because the prices are absolutely horrific, unfortunately. Altcoins have been absolutely murdered over the past few months. Bitcoin as well, down pretty much 50% give or take from all-time highs, and things are looking dark. However, probably in a next video tomorrow or something, I will say that there is light at the end of the tunnel, and it will not be like this forever, guys. We can see right here, Israel says it's launched an attack on Iran. BBC reports explosions heard in Tehran, that is in Iran, of course. And yeah, of course, it's going to be major disruption for all of investments, traditional assets, of course, crypto speculative assets. They're always hit harder than traditionals, and of course airports and flights around the world are going to be in chaos right now. And of course, the people in Iran, I hope everyone is safe. Nobody likes wars, whatever reason it is. War is not the answer in my opinion, and it doesn't really benefit anyone apart from the people making the strikes or the people starting the war. So this is definitely dangerous times right now for investing. For sure, it's not the best. We can see the price has in fact started to dump down here. And if we even go here and take a look at the weekly chart, we can start to see that we do have this range down here, which could be interesting. This range right down here. And everyone is speculating the 52K range, which is exactly here. Everyone is speculating that we will come down to the 200 moving average, which is approximately 52K. And if we do see a bounce from that range like we previously did, that would definitely be interesting. Also, we can see the RSI right here. If we take a look at the RSI, we can see it's the lowest we've had pretty much all the way back here since 2022 right there. It's lower. Even all the way back here, it's even lower as well. Even when we had C19 right around here, it was massive. It was not even this big compared to what it was there. It's a crazy amount of RSI dump right here, and it's definitely, in my opinion, previous indications show that when the RSI is this low, it's a good time to buy. Of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room just making videos about his journey on crypto. If you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, as of course, as always in every video, do not please engage with my content or watch it, unfortunately. So this is happening right now with crypto. We are having a massive thing happen in the Middle East. This will definitely affect markets over the next few days. If you are going to enter trades, definitely be cautious during trading these times. It's very, very volatile. And if you did want to, in fact, go ahead and join Chart Chasers right here. It's open for the first 100 people only. There are already 30 or so people in this group right now. So probably by the end of this video or tomorrow's video, the group will be closed. So definitely go ahead and join. Completely free. Absolutely free, no catches, nothing. Go ahead and join the community right there and see what it's about. So thank you for watching today's video, guys. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully the situation in the Middle East gets better. We can start to make some crypto gains, but for now, we're going to have to experience a little bit more of a dump. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.